Hello, hello friends. Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by to share some cards that I made in a little collab that I'm in with one of my best friends. Her name is Kristie. She's not on YouTube. I will link everything in the description box below. We have been friends for as long as I can remember. I know we both started scrapbooking and we were in a group together. And I honestly don't even remember how long it's been. I want to say, I couldn't even guess, 14, 15 years, maybe longer. I'm not sure. But anyways, back in the day, we both subscribed to and got the Tailored Expressions key ingredients kits. And we both have a lot of them just sitting around, haven't been utilized. Although I was pleased when I went to go find which kit I wanted to work with today. I do have one that's almost used up. Woohoo! But anyways, today we are both sharing some creations using one of our key ingredients kits. As you can see, mine's a little, just a tad bit old. It's from November 2010. Yes, I know, I'm a hoarder. I admit it, of craft supplies, not so much of other stuff. But I enjoy it, so we're just going to go with that. In this kit, you got 12 sheets of cardstock, 20 sheets of 6x6 pattern paper from October Afternoon, the Modern Homemaker. You got 5 yards of ribbon. You got buttons, which I think I must have taken those out because I didn't see those in here. And you got What's Cooking chipboard. So since this was kind of a cooking or baking theme kit, that's kind of the route that I went when I chose my stamps. I made 3 cards, and sadly I didn't even put a dent in this, so hopefully I will revisit again soon. It came with some fun chipboard. I see that I did paint one at one time. Okay. Some ribbon, and then the paper is super fun. It was fun to work with. And then the cardstock, again, I really have not made much of a dent in this, but I'm trying. So, and I forgot to grab the stamp sets. I'm going to pause the camera and I'll be right back. Sorry about that. I am back to share the stamp sets that I used. They are all from Kraftin Kimmie. I used this Let Them Eat Cupcakes, super fun set. I used the Made with Love, which hopefully you can see that, super adorable. And I used the Happiness is Homemade. Excuse my mask there. There we go. Happiness is Homemade. I can't wait to play with this one again. So many fun elements to create like a scene. My little mask. And on to my cards. So first I used that Happiness is Homemade, and I made this cute little card. Doesn't she look so fun? With her plate of chocolate chip cookies, I could take a bite of a chocolate chip cookie right now. Use that little accessory heart stamp. I used a fun scalloped edge and that fun paper. Kind of has a retro feel. I feel like in my stash of stamps, I have like a vintagey type image that might be fun with that. Might have to revisit that. And then on the inside, I just used that other piece that I had die cut. You can't really see it, but it has that stitched edge. And the Happiness is Homemade, and stamped her again. So that was the first card. Super fun. Next, I used that Made with Love stamp set. Colored her up with her little kitty cat. Used some fun paper, and I even used some of the ribbon. I always forget to use ribbon. And then on the inside, it says, "You're so sweet." And it has her stamped again. Super, super cute. And then the last one that I made is a little mini slimline with that paper. I thought this was a fun color scheme. Life is short, eat dessert first. I'm all for that. And then there she is on the inside. So there are 3 cards that I made with that Key Ingredients November 2010 kit. Again, I didn't even put a dent in it, so hopefully I can revisit it again soon and maybe finish it up. Maybe, who knows. But it was super fun to create these like cooking, baking theme cards, and I really had so much fun. Again, everything is linked in the description box below. I hope you'll hop on over to check out what Kristie has created. She wasn't sure when her cards were going to go up, so if they're not there, just check back. And have an amazing day. I will be back tomorrow with Saturday Showcase. And I think that's all I have for you. Thanks so much for stopping by.